Hello everyone, this is lesson number 76 and let's continue. Quickly repeat our words. 复印 to photocopy, to duplicate. 厨房 kitchen. 禁止 to prohibit something, to forbidden. Also could be adjective. 不是 prohibition, suppression, stop. One forbid. 禁止 dye, to wear on top of. 理发 to cut hair. 道歉 to apologize. 出生 to be born. 性别 gender. 学期 semester term. 打印 to print. 饺子 dumplings. 刀 knife. 破 considerably quite, but it's, to be honest, used quite rarely. 脱 to take off. 包子 steam stuffed bun. 零钱 small change. 打招呼 to greet someone. 眼镜 glasses. 舞蹈 to dance. 国际 world international. 抬 to lift, to raise. 胳膊 forearm. 转 to switch, to turn, to change. 租 to rent, to hire. 吵 to make noise. The first one for today is 吵. As you can see on the right side, just 吵. And on the left, it's a mouth, represent to some noise, some voice maybe. Let's see. The neighbors are too noisy. I can't sleep. 邻居太吵了，我睡不着。这个不着 cannot do something. 睡不着 could be any 不着。Let's see. 睡不着。够不着，管不着，找不着，打不着，猜不着，放不着。Okay. And 邻居 the neighbors 太吵了 they're too noisy. 我睡不着 cannot sleep 睡不着。Next one, the kids are making a lot of noise in the classroom. 孩子们在教室里吵得厉害。孩子们 kids or children 在教室里 in the classroom 教室里吵 here's to make noise 吵 and they describe how at which degree 厉害 very big noise you say very loud. It's good, amazing, powerful. You can say great noise, very big noise. 孩子们在教室里吵得厉害，或者吵得很厉害，很厉害。Next one, 房东 landlord. 房 it's apartment, right? 房子 东 it's east. 房东 landlord maybe because people went to the east and mostly east live somewhere. Interesting. Let's see. 房东 the landlord said the rent will increase next month. 房东说下个月房租要涨。房东说 the landlord said 下个月 next month 房租 apartment 房 it's apartment 租 it's to rent something, so you can say rent price or just the rent. 房租要涨 it's to increase, raise, flush, expand. 房租 it's rent, rental, house rent. 房东说下个月房租要涨。I need to contract the landlord to fix the water pipe. 我需要和房东联系修水管 水管 water pipe water tube water pump water pump 水管我需要 I need to 和房东 with I need with a landlord 联系 to contact to connect relay 不是 relay contact 一个是 connect to someone 修 to fix 水管 water pipe 我需要和房东联系修水管 one just for pronunciation and this one for bamboo. Okay. Next one. 展现 line is busy. 展现 is a line. 展 is to occupy. 展现 on busy line. I called several times, but the line was always busy. 我打了几次电话，总是占线。我打了 I you can say 打电话 to make a call, or you can say I call 我打了几次 several times 电话a number not a number phone call to make a call you can say I made few calls 我打了几次电话总是 and always 占线 always busy lines always busy 总是占线his phone line is busy. He might be on a call. 他的手机占线，可能在通话。通话 on a call. Talk to someone. Right, it's a verb. And 占线 also verb. 占线。他的手机占线，可能在通话。Next one, 功夫。Is it just 功夫？功夫。He has been practicing Chinese Kung Fu since he was young. Since he was young. 他从小 from young 从小就like 就 you can skip translation 从小就练习 practicing 中国功夫 Chinese 功夫。他从小就练习中国功夫。This movie features exciting kung fu scenes. 这部电影展现了精彩的功夫场面 scenes. Spectator situation, occasion, drama. 这个部 measure word for films. 这部电影展现了 demonstrate or excite 不是 show reveal display 展现了精彩features 精彩 wonderful or exciting 功夫场面功夫 sense 不是 sense scenes OK 这部电影展现了精彩的功夫场面。Next one, 乒乓球 table tennis. Our school is holding a table tennis match. 我们学校有乒乓球比赛。So our school have 乒乓球比赛。table tennis tournament or match also could be match. His table tennis skills are impressive. 他的乒乓球的技术很厉害。 的乒乓球的技术，技术 is like technique or skills， 很厉害 is very impressive, very amazing 意思。不是他的，also 他打乒乓球，打 is to play， 他打乒乓球的 ，so he plays skills, right？ 他打乒乓球的技术。I think also could be without the 技术很厉害。Next one 羽毛球 badminton or shuttlecock. Because 毛 it's a fur, 羽 it's a pigeon feather plus hair plus fur plus wool and ball. 羽毛球 Let's play badminton this weekend. 周末我们去打羽毛球吧。So again we use 打 to play. 周末 in the weekend 我们去 we go to 打 usually used for games with the hands. 打羽毛球吧 and 吧 for let's. 打羽毛球。Badminton is a great sport. 羽毛球是一项很好的运动。羽毛球是一项is like measure word for sport. Interesting. 一项 I think we can say 一种或一项很好的运动 is a great sport, very good sport. 羽毛球是一项很好的运动。Next one 场 a measure word for games, sport, match is or scenes. This table tennis match was very exciting. 这场乒乓球比赛很精彩。Very wonderful, exciting, good, great. 这场乒乓球比赛很精彩。Next one, there is an intense kung fu scene in the movie. 电影里 inside the movie 有一场激烈的功夫戏。戏 is like play show. OK. 电影里有一场激烈 is very like fierce, very intense, competitive, heated, violent. 激烈的功夫戏。电影里有一场激烈的功夫戏。Next one 座位 seat. Is this seat taken? 请问 like sorry 这个座位有人吗？ This seat have a person? Or is this seat taken? Is there anyone in this seat, please? 请问这个座位有人吗？座位 seat. I booked two window seats. 我预订了2个靠窗的座位。预订 to book something. 预订 reservation, subscribe. 预订 subscribe. Right, to book. 预订了2个 to 靠 it's to lean on something, to be near something, to something. 靠窗 window. So 靠窗 is to window side. 靠窗的座位。I booked 2 window seats. 我预订了2个靠窗的座位。And last one for today is 国旗 国籍 nationality or citizenship. Don't mislead it with another one, international. This one, 国际 international, but this one, 国籍 nationality, citizenship, because this character is different. Please fill your nationality on the form. 请在表格 in a form 在表格中 in a form 填写 fill in with the writing, right? 填写你的国籍 your nationality, your citizenship. 请在表格中填写你的国籍 He has dual citizenship, Chinese and Canadian. 他有双重国籍，中国和加拿大 Canada 加拿大 Interesting 双重 Dual nationality 双重 is double 哪有它有双重国籍双重 is like double any double dual twin twofold two-tier tutor 它有双重国籍中国和加拿大Let's repeat what we learned today. 吵 to make noise or noisy. 房东 landlord. 占线 line is busy. 占线功夫 kung fu. Or sometimes could be gong fu. Or gong fu with a zero with the first one, but mostly use this way. 功夫乒乓球 table tennis. 羽毛球 badminton shuttlecock 羽毛球场 major word for game 座位 seat 国籍 national or citizenship nationality. Also we have one new idiom for today. Last time we learned unable to recover from a setback. 一蹶不振 Today is a new one. Meticulous. Very careful and exact about small details. Meticulous. 一丝不苟 This idiom describes extreme care and precision, like not neglecting a single thread. 一丝不苟 one, se, thread or symbolizing details. Bu, not. Go, careless or negligent. Go. She is meticulous in her work, never careless. 她做事一丝不苟，绝不马虎。绝不 never or you can say at all, no way. 绝不 nothing, by no means. 马虎 sloppy, careless, slapdish, slip-hop. So she is meticulous in her work, never careless. 她做事一丝不苟，绝不马虎。绝不马虎，做事一丝不苟，不苟。And one new, this one, last time chai. Today the flower is painted smoothly splendid. 花 flower, 花 to paint, 花 smooth, 花 splendid. 花 This one 花 is also to skate, to slip it, slide. And see you in the next one.